match. Lahat ng mga pulutan din.
It's going to be a tough assignment for Tim and whoever Lord has success was. Because especially with Holy in now, ang dami mo nang dapat i-worry. Ang dami pwedeng dapat pag-aralan.
Alright, Coach Minerva Pante calling this timeout, 21-14, that's it. Okay, we have our games on Tuesday here at the arena. We have a full-packed afternoon for you starting at 12 noon. It's going to be St. Benilde versus Ateneo, followed by the 2 p.m. match between Lyceum and USJ Recoletos. And at 4 p.m. it's going to be San Bacolod against FEU. Yes, ito po sa ating table officials, the power of that bully spike even from the back row, so hard to contain.
Grabe lang. And this is just our first game. This one for him.
But you know, Mozi, that 2 playoffs would spell either trouble, you know? But
Yes, sabi nga natin, it can go either way. Kaya ito na already nga kanina ni-report nga ni Noreen na mayroong sasalihan itong Adamson preparing for the semi-final round. So just a good way to go for Coach Minerva Pante.
outside for Bautista, and she's apologetic, throwing away a point.
And giving San Sebastian today 2 points away into taking this match.
Warning, Alvin Warning, 29-15. Castillo, goes up by Encheta, she gets to Mirasol.
And a MSU, yep, San Sebastian, match point.
And never ever in this season have we mentioned that an opponent of Addison would sweep them here in the eliminations, but it seems that that is what's going to happen. The Gillies. Oh, this is not good.
That's a yes, sabi na ng Pastelida. Patagalin pa natin to.
They have to play flawless volleyball from here on in. 24-16, it is now match point for San Sebastian.
Will they take it? With a combination play, and they do. What better weekend if Patricia gets there, Bodie? What a welcome team for her, winning it over Adamson. What a big win here for her.
And ito na talaga, masasabi natin, these two teams are tied on top. Top 2 teams.
In spite of this being a 3-setter, napaka-exciting. As you can see, our shaky play of that set. Bodie with much power.
Alright, the first set 25-22, the second set 25-19, and the final set 25-16.
San Sebastian avenges their first round loss to Adamson University in 3 straight sets, and they all really played well. And of course, in the team, even if everyone played well, there's still one player who will stand out. And for San Sebastian today, it's Lawrence Ann Latigay. Congratulations! Quick question lang, no? Obviously, lahat kayo, ganda ng laro. What does it mean to you na ngayon nandito si Bully? What does it mean to the San Sebastian team? Nandito na yung talagang, kumbaga yung dating team ng San Sebastian. Kasi nga, dito na si Jen. Pero, hindi naman namin inaano na pinalitan yung dati namin. Pero, part pa rin siya. Naging party pa rin siya yung team namin. So, ang ginagawa na, parang tulong-tulong. Pinutulungan kami ni Jen. Pinutulungan din namin si Jen. Para manalo po sa mga games namin. So, expect in the semifinals, one is out to beat the other because we are now even. Anyway, as best player, you have a bag from Shaky. Greet all your fans. Ang dami mong fans. I'm sure at San Sebastian.
Hello po sa supporters ng San Sebastian and family ko po sa Lucena, sa kay Buy ko, kay Coaches, kay Jen, kay Coach Roger, kay
tingin po. So, congratulations and once again, more power to San Sebastian. Back to you guys.
Alright, I like your cap, Noreen. Again,
So
So
nice.
nice. Congratulations to San Sebastian. They have Clyde Adamson on the top spot. This has been Ian Laurel with Bozy Ravena and Noreen Go with a very beautiful Philippines.